I'm Casey, and this is Jenny, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today, we are bringing the world to your table with a refreshing vegetarian appetizer.
That's right, Casey. Today we are making a tofu ceviche with chili lime tortilla chips.
Yeah, so ceviche is typically a seafood dish made with raw seafood mixed with a lemon or lime juice, and the acid from that juice denatures the protein, so it looks like it's cooked, but it's actually not.
Yes.
Doesn't actually kill bacteria. So today we're using tofu, so we don't need to worry about any of that.
Yes.
So to get started with our chips, we have some lime juice here. I'm going to mix it with some salt and chili powder and mix that together. And then we have some corn tortillas that we've just quartered, and I'm just going to dip them in this mixture and place them on our baking sheet that we have sprayed with cooking spray.
And while Casey's working on that, I'm going to get started on the ceviche. So the base of it is tofu. We just have a block of firm tofu that we press. So to press it, we wrap it in some Viva paper towel, place it on a plate, and then put something heavy on top. We like to use a cast iron skillet because it's nice and wide and it's heavy. And you really just want to press a lot of that excess moisture out. And then we just cubed it.
Yep.
We've got some English cucumber that has been cut up.
And we're using an English cucumber, not a regular cucumber. The English cucumber is a little less watery, a little bit less seeds, and the skin isn't quite as waxy.
Yeah. Got a red onion that's been chopped, and then lemon juice and lime juice. So lots of great fresh flavors in this. And for just a little bit of heat, jalapeno.
Yes. The more the merrier.
Yeah, we both really
end.
like spicy food. If you aren't a big fan of that spice, you can feel free to use less jalapeno or just not put it in.
Right.
All right, I'm going to give that a nice mix together.
It already smells so fresh.
It does. So at this point, we would refrigerate it for an hour.
But that would make us cut into the prices, right? So we're
just going to pretend. Yeah. And as Casey's finishing up the chips, I'm going to get started on the rest of the ceviche, which includes avocado. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Those chips look so good. All right, so they just need to bake at 350 for about 15 minutes until they are nice and golden brown and crispy. And then you want them to cool. So we actually have some that's already done.
I'm going to move some things out of the way here. I love making our own chips too. It's pretty simple, like simpler than I would think initially.
Super simple, lots of great flavor.
Yeah, and you can customize it too. Add whatever other flavors you want with that.
All right. Do you want to put some?
Yeah, so to finish up our ceviche, we're going to add tomato, some cilantro, and then our avocado that Jenny's cutting.
So many great colors in this.
Yeah, and like we said, it's very fresh tasting, perfect for spring or summer.
Yeah. Just finish it off with a touch of salt. And this needs to be mixed together.
All right. Oh my gosh, look at all those colors.
Yum.
Yes. And that, the lime juice and lemon, we have both of them in here, will also kind of help a little bit to keep the avocado from browning.
Yeah.
Which is a plus. All right, should we give this a try?
Yes, I'm excited to try these chips.
Yes. Okay. Make sure to get some of that.
I broke it.
They'll still taste good, I bet.
It really tastes that lime.
I love it. Well, we hope you try this fun twist on a World to Table favorite.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.